Good afternoon and welcome to DLM-Distribution, DLM Campervans. Today we have a Mini-T conversion done on a 2019 Transit Connect XLT. As you can see, this has the split back swing doors. This allows you to open up just half of your back. You can get to the refrigerator then. Or if both are open, you can get to your sink. The other thing these doors do is they do swing open. As such. In this conversion we have a max air fan, over-the-air antenna, solar, microwave, Dometic, refrigerator, your sink with fresh and gray water, lighting. This vehicle also has two overhead storage compartments between the front and the back. The 43 by 72 inch couch, as you see it now. And the couch easily folds down into a bed. As we walk around the side, you'll see there's another sliding door. The windows go down and magnetic screens are also part of the conversion. Here you can see the inside. We have the microwave, the sink, TV, DVD player. You have your solar controller, an outlet, max air fan. And those are those overhead storage compartments. All of our conversions come with underbed storage containers, WeatherTech for the front seats, WeatherTech sunshade, comes with a propane stove and gas. The brand new WeatherTechs. We also have the privacy curtain. This vehicle comes with a navigation system, which is part of the sync system. Here's a wireless phone charger. Press of the button.
Please say a command.
Weather map.
Showing weather map.
You also can control your navigation with that or any contacts once you sync up your phone. This vehicle has under 2,500 miles on it. It has great safety features, including a blind spot indicator, a pre-collision alert. Give us a call, 651-285-7089 or 507-382-9446. It also has heated leather seats. Find all the details and more pictures at www.dlm-distribution.com.